Imagine if everyone decided to behave the way they wanted in the society. Imagine that someone decided they would destroy all the roads we have, or another person decided to start breaking down buildings. I'm sure you will be confused as to why such a thing is happening, right? As citizens of a particular country or state, there are many things and responsibilities you should do to make that state and country better. You are not supposed to behave just anyhow and treat your state like it doesn't matter. Because if you do, there won't be smooth running of governance. So, as a good citizen, you must understand that you have responsibilities to your country. Your civic responsibility is to partake in elections, vote when necessary, obey the rules and regulations, and be ready to serve anytime your country needs you. While your economic obligations is to avoid the destruction of properties in any way you can, and always pay your taxes so that good things can be done in the states. And finally, your social obligation is to have good relationships with government officials like the police, government properties like the public toilets and bus parks. Also, you are to always maintain peace, avoid fights, riots, and destruction of public properties and peace. In conclusion, duties and obligations are the constitutional responsibilities a citizen is supposed to perform in the society for it to run smoothly. I hope you had fun in my class. See you in my next class, guys.